Phrasal verbs about food. Bolt down. Eat a large amount of food quickly. Dish up. To put food into a dish or dishes for serving or eating. Cut out. To stop eating or drinking something, usually to improve your health. Boil away. To boil until all liquid is gone. Chop up. To cut something into pieces with a knife. Pig out. To eat a lot or too much. Boil down. To reduce the volume of a liquid by boiling. Eat out. Have a meal in a restaurant. Pick at. Eat food in small amounts or without much appetite. Boil over. To overflow while boiling. Cut off. To remove a piece by cutting. Eat up. To eat all the food that you have been given. Fry up. To prepare or make something by frying. Knock back. Consume a drink quickly and entirely. Slice off. To remove part of something by cutting. Chow down. To eat, especially in an eager or noisy way. Gobble up. Eat a large amount of food quickly. Whip up. To make food or a meal very quickly and easily. Chomp down. To chew or bite on something. Mix in. To add one substance to others, especially in cooking. Polish off. To finish something easily and quickly, especially a lot of food. Dig in. To start eating eagerly. Heat up. To make food warm or hot. Wolf down. To consume food quickly or greedily, without regard for table manners. Choke down. To eat something with difficulty or without enjoyment.